हाय दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। आइए देखते हैं पीपीयू पॉलिटिकल साइंस नोट्स फॉर फर्स्ट ईयर पेपर 2। तो आइए देखते हैं नोट्स टारगेट मिशन के साथ। आज का टॉपिक है हमारा व्हाट इज़ कंपैरेटिव पॉलिटिक्स। कंपैरेटिव पॉलिटिक्स क्या है, ये क्वेश्चन 2020 में आया था पेपर 2 में। आप लोग ने कल वाली वीडियो में देखा होगा। Comparative politics is a field in political science characterized by an empirical approach based on the comparative method. In other words, comparative politics is the study of the domestic politics, political institutions, and conflicts of countries. It often involves comparison among countries and through time within single countries, emphasizing key patterns of similarity and differences. कंपैरेटिव पॉलिटिक्स में हम कंट्रीज़ के बीच में कंपैरिजन करते हैं, उसकी सिमिलैरिटीज़ और डिफरेंसेस। Comparative politics has a long and very eminent history dating back just before the origin of systematic political studies in ancient Greece and Rome. Even ancient people compared their situation with those of other peoples with whom they came in contact. The Bible is possibly one of the first written statements of comparative politics. प्राचीन काल में जब लोग मिलते थे तो वो एक दूसरे से अपना कंपैरिजन करते थे। आप सिंपली समझिए, कंपैरेटिव का मतलब होता है कंपेयर करना, चाहे वो लोगों के बीच में हो, एक स्टेट के बीच में हो या कंट्रीज़ के बीच में हो। Many political theorists like Aaron Elizabeth argued that comparative politics does not have a functional force in itself, instead a methodological one. In simple form, comparative politics is not defined by the object of its study but by the method it applies to study political phenomena. Rose mentioned that in comparative politics, the focus is explicitly or implicitly upon more than one country, thus following familiar political science uses in excluding within nation comparison. Methodologically, comparison is distinguished by its use of concepts that are applicable in more than one country. ये रोज द्वारा बोला गया है। In the field of comparative politics, the term politics has three connotations such as political activities, political process, and political power. Political activity consists of the effort by which the condition of conflicts are created and resolved in a way pertaining to the interest of people as far as possible who play in their part in struggle for power. Political process is an extension of political activity. Political power is the major topic in the comparative politics. Frederick described power as a certain kind of human relationship. अगर आप कोई भी आंसर लिखते हैं तो उसमें 2-3 फिलोसफर का कोट्स ज़रूर मेंशन करें, इससे आंसर अच्छा फॉर्म होता है। Comparative government studies were used political researchers to get correct and valid conclusion regarding the nature and organization of state and government. Their major objective was to discover the historical and legal similarities and dissimilarities among the various government and their political institutions. A comparative, normative, prescriptive study of constitutions was conducted. It was an attempt to recognize the best political institution. When applied to particular field of study, comparative politics denotes by other names such as comparative government, the comparative study of forms of government. कंपैरेटिव पॉलिटिक्स को हम और नामों से भी जानते हैं, जैसे कि कंपैरेटिव गवर्नमेंट, जिसमें हम दो कंट्रीज़ के फॉर्म्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट को कंपेयर करके पढ़ते हैं. कंपैरेटिव फॉरेन पॉलिसी, comparing the foreign policies of different states in order to establish general empirical connections between the characteristics of the state and the characteristics of its foreign policy. इसमें हम दो कंट्रीज़ की फॉरेन पॉलिसी को कंपेयर करते हैं. Different comparative methods are used such as the experiment method. These are fundamental scientific methods which can be used to test the validity of theoretical propositions, often with the use of empirical data, that is, to establish relationship among two or more empirical variables or concepts while all other variables are held constant. Specifically, the comparative method is generally used when neither the experimental nor the statistical method can be implemented. Experiments can only hardly be conducted in political science. जब एक्सपेरिमेंटल और स्टैटिस्टिकल मेथड इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं होता है, तब हम कंपैरेटिव मेथड यूज़ करते हैं. Statistical method implies the mathematical manipulation of quantitative data about a large number of cases, while sometimes political research must be conducted by analyzing the behavior of qualitative variables in a small number of cases. Statistical method एक mathematical manipulation है. The case study approach cannot be regarded as a scientific method. However, it can be useful to gain knowledge about single cases, which can then be put to comparison according to the comparative method. ये टॉपिक हमारा आज का व्हाट इज़ कंपैरेटिव पॉलिटिक्स, जो बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक था, कंप्लीट होता है. थैंक यू वेरी मच. आपको किसी और टॉपिक पे वीडियोस चाहिए तो कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताएं. वंस अगेन थैंक यू. टारगेट मिशन इज़ ऑलवेज विथ यू ऑल.